Hi guys, Varda here. I know after so many months I'm coming back with a video and I'm just so excited. I am going to attend the Spellbinders Around the World virtual card making event. So I had bought the ticket for it and my box arrived and I'm going to unbox it for you, and there are so many beautiful goodies in there that I just love, and I'm going to show them to you, and it's going to be my unboxing video. So let's get right into it. So the box, as you can tell, I've already opened it, okay? And they sent a bunch of sweets like candies and stuff from all around the world. I've already taken them out. In fact, I finished one one of the things in there. I'm sorry about that, but I'll show you all the other pieces which will be used for the event. So the box looks like this, and the box has this your passport to creativity is here, open immediately, which I did, of course. Spellbinders Around the World, it's on October 23. Okay, so this is the box, and when you open it, ta-da! These are all the things in there. I'm going to take them out one by one and show you, and let's get started with that. Okay, so the first is this booklet. This booklet is showcasing every single card maker and from where they are and what kind of cards we are going to make. So it has all this information. It also has information about some of the other products which will be available later, and there is a bonus card and lots of fun facts from the country. Lot of good things, something which we can keep as an idea booklet even for later on. Okay, and then we have this yummy color for Nuo drops, and I'll show you the color. It's called as Crystal Drops Autumn Red, and I love this color. So this is one thing. The next we have is two water brushes. They are from Jane Davenport, and we also have a color palette. A color palette from Jane Davenport, and it's so cute. Just look at this, and it has got its 3 primaries and a special set of selected colors. There is a little bit a small swatch that you can prepare, and these are just such cute little candy like colors. And then we'll take them out, their names are on top. We'll take them out and we'll put them in the place here, and then this is what you could use as a palette. Okay, so this is really good if you are somebody who likes to craft on the go. Just take these two with you. I think you can take them even in your carry-on bag. I think so. You might have to double check, but you can, I believe. And then you just fill these with water when you're on a plane, and then there you have it. You can craft on the go. Airport security and all that. That's what I was talking about. And then the next is these little tiny crystals. They are self-adhesive, and some of them are like opaque white and some of them are really bright shiny ones. And then you have all these hearts and clouds with a heart, and a circle with a heart, and a lot of different hearts, chips. And then I'm going to show you the thing I'm most excited about, the last. Okay, I'm such a tease, I know, but bear with me. Okay, so we have these pre-packaged stuff for making each of the cards. So there are colors that you will be die cutting, I believe, and then there are papers, and there are again colors and papers. All of them are made in a set, and some of these also have the glimmered sentiment on them, and even the die cut pieces. Some pieces are already die cut. So I believe this is what we'll be working with during the event. And of course, rest of the supplies, what I'm going to show you are things that you can use over and over again. So these will be consumed, and then the idea booklet, these plus the ones I'm going to show you now, will be lasting us forever. So first, let's look at the stamp sets. So this is one stamp set, and then this is another stamp set. This has got like passport stamps, almost like passport stamps from all the different countries from where we have card makers who are going to teach us card making. And then this one is one stamp, and then this is dies with different sentiments. I believe Yana Smakula, she designed them. They are Yana's layered script sentiments, so they'll be like this. So there is a thin one, and then you can cut out the outline. I love this. And then there is I wonder if Yana designed this also. Yes, she did. So that's amazing. This is Yana Smakula's design. This is cutting dies and glimmer plates for magnolia blooms. I wonder if both of these are cutting dies. They look like 2 cutting dies, it says. So yeah, they'll be cutting dies then. Okay, so this is what it will look like. Beautiful, isn't it? It's just gorgeous. I'm sure I'll use it more often than just the event. And then my favorite little butterflies. This is from Baby Cameron, another card maker who will be teaching us. And I love it. Different butterflies. And then there is also a butterfly stencil. I believe this is also designed by Baby Cameron. I'm just making a guess. But it has a stencil and then some more things you can stencil around it. And then this is a flower making die that you can use to make flowers. They almost look like the tropical flowers. I don't remember the name, but what are these? Hibiscus. They look like hibiscus. Okay, sorry, I was asking. Oh, I should have seen the name right here. It's hibiscus. And I was asking my daughter, who's again right here. So these dies, and then we have, this is from Vicky. I can never say her last name, so I'm not going to butcher it, but she's one of my all-time favorite crafters. I have been following her for years and she never disappoints. I just love her creativity. So this is painted blooms, and it's going to create like a brush that you use for painting, and then you can decorate it with flowers and foliage. It's just gorgeous. And then this one is a bold hello, and then there is you, and it makes something like this. I just cannot wait to create with all these things. Just look at all those goodies. I'll keep my fox and my squirrel aside, but just look at all these goodies, and I'm just so excited to craft with them. I hope I get to meet even you guys, and if not, I'll definitely share more about the cards and the event and everything later on. So stay tuned and happy crafting. Bye bye.